Apart from cooking, are there any other skills people need to learn if they live independently?
Well, you know what they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Living by yourself successfully requires a diverse set of skills. First and foremost, job hunting skills. No one can live independently if one doesn't have a job that can bring home the bacon. Second, house hunting skills. It's the ability to find and secure an ideal place to live, rented or bought, affordable, safe, and environmentally beautiful, visually appealing to call home. Third, house moving skills. Believe me, as I just moved to a new house last week, I can tell you wholeheartedly, it's not just a piece of cake. Once you're settled in and after everything is stashed and stacked, driving or commuting skills become essential for getting to work or anywhere else you need to go. Keeping a well-organized home requires household skills such as cleaning and washing if you expect everything to be kept tidy and clean in apple pie order. Being handy with DIY, do-it-yourself, skills can be a lifesaver. A penny saved is a penny earned. It saves a pretty penny when you can fix things that malfunction at home on your own. Understanding basic home maintenance skills is vital to keep your living space in good condition. A stitch in time saves 9, after all. Also, as we are now in the digital era, some level of internet application skills is a must for booking a taxi, a hotel room, or ordering meals, which are all part of surviving in the modern world. Furthermore, living independently doesn't necessarily mean living on an isolated island, as you need the networking skills to build a network of friends, colleagues, and acquaintances that can open doors to opportunities. The saying, "It's not what you know but who you know," highlights the significance of connections. Plus, it is important to develop emotional resilience that can help you cope with life's ups and downs, especially when you are living alone. The proverb, "When the going gets tough, the tough get going," emphasizes the importance of staying strong in difficult times. In addition, each of us needs time management skills, money management skills, self-care and self-defense skills, and socializing skills in order to get along with our neighbors, etc. In conclusion, being responsible and independent are at the core of it all. God helps those who help themselves. With that being said, bear in mind that Rome wasn't built in a day, and acquiring these skills takes time and effort, but with determination and a willingness to learn, you can thrive in your independent life journey.
Contact Dr. NN in England.